What's happening to me? But wow, I am buffering. Like I am buffering like a buffer couldn't buffer more. Good morning, you guys. It is the next day, and my hair looks weird. Wait. It is the next day. Yesterday, literally, I was there till like 10 o'clock. I am not sure what time was it. I was so exhausted already with every single thing. Just came home, I ate and slept. Now it's the next day. अभी तो मैं जाने नहीं वाली थी because आज पूजा है for the studio. So, but I'm still going. So the thing is, I'm gonna go quickly arrange the vanity and मतलब यहाँ से भी और सामान लेके जाना है because I have endless stuff. So वो लेके जा रही हूँ मैं. Then I have to go to the mall for something my mom has bought. So हमें वो सामान लेने जाना है. And then after that I'm gonna come home, have my lunch, do आराम से like shower and everything, and then go like wash my hair and then go to the place again for puja. Puja is in like evening, like late afternoon evening, so that is what's happening. And I sneeze like 15 times right now. I don't know why, like every day I wake up and then I sneeze like 15 times. So yeah, that's the plan for today. Yesterday also I did not take a few things, which was this tripod in which you are on, which makes the height thing very good. Then I also did not take this, whatever this is, tripod thing. And then I did not take this. I'm gifting this to my niece. This is a toy which my friend gifted me, but my niece keeps calling and she's like, "Mujhe ye chahiye." So I'm gonna give it to her. So I'm gonna keep it in the studio. Hi you guys. Okay, so my dad has went to get breakfast for me. Tab tak I have like these 3 bags. Yeah, these 3 bags. So I'm gonna quickly like put all the boxes in this. So because abhi sab kuch floor cleaning ho raha hai for the puja. So let's do that, and I'm gonna cue the time lapse for you to see. So let's go. This sunglasses ka pura mera bag. I don't need it right now. I'm gonna keep it in the bag. Oops. Let's see if I can put this bag in cupboard somewhere. No. I think I can. Even this. Pretty much done. I have kept all my organizers. Fan to on rakhna hai because this should get dry. So for that, then I'm gonna go home now, have lunch, come back, and then organize this and get ready for the puja. I'm so excited. I also cleaned this mirror. So, and I want to add the parda over there. But one thing I realized after filming here is that the AC ka color is so ugly. Oh my god, I have to do something about that. Like, no way in hell that is looking that. No. Okay, hi you guys. So, puja is done now. I just got sandwich because niche hi sandwich wala hai, dosa wala hai, vada pav wala hai. So like I'll eat a sandwich. I'm gonna eat a sandwich now. My grandfather is actually coming to see the studio. So my dad has went to take him. And I also have some work. So मैं laptop से वो काम कर लूँगी. And then I'm also like मैंने makeup नहीं किया था because by the time we got here, late हो गया था. So I have to film one video जिसकी मुझे idea है. So I will film that and then I will come back to you. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today. I think my friend might come, but I'm not sure. So hi you guys, it's the next day. I am currently getting ready because I have to go shopping with my cousin, and then after that I have to go where? I have to go to an event, at JW Marriott. Like they are hosting me for a what do we say, lunch kind of a thing. So I'm getting ready for that. So it's gonna be a really long day, and I'm sorry if the voice is echoing. मैं मेरा mic भी भूल गई हूँ. Really great, Urvee. I'm amazing. Like I have to film like 2 videos right now, and I forgot the mic. Lovely. I love this. Other than that, I also haven't really organized much. Like makeup तो हो गया है, कपड़ों का तो बाकी है, but other than that धीरे धीरे करके हो जाएगा. Still have like 2 days for my Diwali party, which I will vlog as well. And because I got scammed by the freaking person, I have no clothes for Diwali, like right now, new clothes. So I'm just thinking, what the hell should I do? Maybe I'll just alter the dress which, I had, which I got in scam, and wear that. But I don't know, let's see. I also ate only 1 banana for breakfast, which is not the this is what I do every single time. This is what I do. So yeah, I also had only 1 banana for breakfast. I want to have more. So when I'm visiting, like going to the mall, I'll probably eat a dosa or something. I don't know how people eat like jalebi, fafda, and I don't know what all, samosa, vada pav in the morning for their breakfast. Like, please tell me, how do you do that? Like, I can never eat anything oily in the morning for my breakfast. I mean, not even meat. What I like having idli or like sada dosa, but nothing like which is fried. I can't, like, no thank you. I broke the clip. What's happening to me? But oops, you guys, I just realized I forgot my water bottle. So I'm very thirsty right now, but I have no option. I also am gonna take oh, my sister just messaged me ki can you reach by 12? I might have to leave by 2:45. Is that fine? Okay, I still have time. मुझे लग रहा था मुझे भाग के ready होना होगा, but I'm gonna tell you, I just filmed a video from that angle. Like the vanity was there, and it looks so beautiful. Like, oh my god, I could cry. It is so freaking amazing. Oh my god, I love it. I got ready. This is my makeup. I'm gonna go. Wow, I am buffering like a buffer couldn't buffer more. मेरे साथ एक बहुत ताज़ा स्कैम हुआ है. I got a dress from the shop called as Glimra shop, ठीक है? And they like, oh my god, if I would show you the photo and what it looks like, I'm uploading it on YouTube Shorts as well, so वो short भी देख लेना जाके. But what the hell was that? Like, literally, what was that? I have no idea. So I just filmed that, and I filmed a get ready with me. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Hi you guys, it's the next day. I did not vlog yesterday in JW. Where is my comb? I did not vlog yesterday because I was busy making like short form content, and my entire what is happening, why am I speaking in like 2 languages at once? मेरा पूरा ध्यान was on creating short form content, so I didn't really vlog over there, but it was fun, and I had some photos, or you can just go and see on my Instagram. And right now it is 10:30 p.m. I am getting ready to go to the studio. My assistant is coming, so she will come, and then we will go over there. My dad is also dropping me because I have a few bags that I need to take over there so that I can like do the shifting once and for all. I really don't know if you can hear me, but I am organizing long dresses over here because I have a long space. and short dresses over here. So I'm just gonna throw wherever the compartment is, and then I'll hang them later on. I was literally searching these in my home, and I finally have clothes to wear. I am so happy. I didn't even realize that, wow, I had so many clothes, and now I can wear them without them being in a storage facility. Are my long dresses, so I'm just gonna hang them over here, and then we'll see how many short dresses. I think I have more short dresses than long, but I'm excited to hang them. Now we are organizing these small dresses. I really have like a lot of them, but yeah, let's go. Basically what I was saying was that I organized some tops, then most of my dresses, long dresses are in here, short dresses are there. वो हो गया है, and now pretty much the thing is all my winter wear and travel wear and Indian wear is left, which I will organize later on, because now I just don't want to do that. It is basically over there, like वहाँ पे नीचे पूरा है. I'm not gonna do that right now because I'm tired. I have some time, like I have like a 1 hour, so I'm just gonna chill. This is like my first day in the studio, properly working, since like I came here around 11:30, and yeah, I'm pretty much over here. So I'm not gonna do too much because Saturday I have, like, today is Thursday, so I have a Diwali party on Saturday. So for that I'm like sitting, chilling. I don't want to overexert, and it's just like my first week in being in the studio. I don't have to go ahead and film constantly have the urge to film videos all the time. So yeah, it's much later in the night. It is 9 p.m. right now. I did my lunch quick. Wow, I did my lunch very early. It is 9 p.m. right now. Usually I have lunch at 9 p.m. but आज तो हो गया है, and I think I have like 1 hour ish or like 1.5 hours to like relax and do my proper like nighttime routine, elaborated nighttime routine जो मैं बहुत कम करती हूँ. So मैं आज वो करने वाली हूँ, and I decided that I'll do this routine and I'll show you as well, like, you know, what I do. This is like my self-care night routine in my life. So what I'm gonna do now is change into my night clothes. I really want to like give myself like a pedicure, like dip my legs into warm water and then just watch a vlog. I'm watching Tamkor's vlog, and then I'm gonna journal, and I have this new like manifestation thing which I want to try, which people have talked about. So that's what I'm gonna do, and that's how I'm gonna wrap up my day for the day. Because tomorrow new vlog will continue. So tomorrow I'm waking up at 7 o'clock, going to the studio to keep the saman because बहुत traffic होता है, and I don't want to go to my studio right now because it is not in walking distance. Usually पुराना studio walking distance में था, so I could go any time of the day and keep the stuff there. Shifting का थोड़ा सा सामान बाकी, and because of the Diwali party also परसों, so I have to do some like arrangements for like the decoration and everything. So yeah, that's what's left. So कल सुबह shifting करेंगे, and then we will go. You know what? I'll tell you all of that in the next vlog.